Omkarnath, Sitaram Omkarnath, wonderful. He spread lots of Harinam all over Bengal. So in the other room you can see his guru. So he allows us to come here every year and celebrate this Narotama Das festival here. And we're very grateful to him. He manages to always make a wonderful, delicious feast for all of the Vaishnavas. So now we'll have Archie for Radha Mohan. And after Archie, we'll sit here in the courtyard. We'll have to take up all of the mats, and we'll have prasad sitting mats for you. There's room in the backside. Some of you may have to take in the second round. Don't worry, there's plenty of prasad for everyone. And we have our dear friend Sri Thakur Das, because we have a wonderful god sister named Sitala, who did a lot of research on Narotama Das, and her book brings Narotama Das to life. You read the books, oh, Narotama did this, and Narotama did that. She tells the stories in such a way that Narotama Das's Leelas come to life before your very eyes. So Sri Thakur Das is here to sell those books, so you can, during Kirtan and after the feast, you can take some of these books. How much? 500 rupees only. Yasumati Nandana Braja Balanagara Gokula Nandana Prana